Well, good morning. Right, we're out again, and as I maybe said in the last video, today's Remembrance Sunday. So basically I'm working my way to Castle Crag for the Act of Remembrance. I set my alarm and unfortunately I turned it off and went to sleep for a bit longer, so I haven't got here quite as early as I would like. But what I've done is I parked in the car park at Seatoller, which I have done before when I went into Johnny Wood and up High Doat, which is in effect what I'm doing again. I'm going up High Doat because last time there were some trees but I didn't see them till I was on my way down, and it was already too dark. So I'm going up there, hopefully get some nice shots in the morning light, which hopefully will be reasonably subtle, and then walk a bit further along to Castle Crag for the Act of Remembrance up there. So that's the plan for today. But I'd just like to remind people, if you enjoy this video, please click the thumbs up. If you like in general what I'm doing on the videos, please consider subscribing. You can always click the bell and that will get you notification every time I put a video. And the main aim is to put up videos 5 p.m. UK time on every Sunday. So that's the idea. So out of fitness. So yeah, so we're going to carry along here, see what we can find, and we'll see you on the next alright, start again, not carry on here, and we'll see you shortly. Right, well, we've come so far up and I've seen this tree there with the little pond, very small tarn, big puddle in front of it, so I thought that might make quite a good composition. So what we'll do is we'll record through the back of the camera. Got to remember the view of the camera when recording is slightly narrower than the view when taking pictures, but you can see I've put the tree there in the centre and there's the reflection in the pond and the hills behind, and making sure that the tree's in focus. And as you can see, the sunlight keeps coming out, it's coming out again, and it lights the tree quite nicely. So yeah, I think that's quite a good first composition. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. I think we'll see how it is when we get it back on the computer. But yeah, if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video. And we're just going to carry on a bit further. So yeah, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've found another tree to capture its image. It's there in the centre of the frame. So yeah, we've already taken the photograph. So yeah, if we look at the back of the camera, you can see it's my standard 100 ISO at f11, and then I've taken a 20th of a second, and I think it looks quite good, the actual image on the back of the camera, because it's not so much now, but the sun shining behind it looked very misty and it looked a bit ethereal. So yeah, it's quite good. So I think from there we're gonna, I don't think there's many, I haven't seen many other trees, and we're virtually at the top of High Doat. So we're gonna carry on and head, oh, you can't see it from here because I'm down the other side, head off to Castle Crag. There is a tree in the valley just below Castle Crag that I've taken every year, so I may go and capture the image of that yet again. If there's anything on the way, we'll stop and get some more images. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you on the next, well, yeah, we'll see you shortly. Right, we've just come a little bit higher on High Doat, and if we look there, right in the middle here, you can see Castle Crag, which is where we're heading, where there's a memorial up there, and there's an annual Act of Remembrance, which I'm aiming to get. So we're going to carry on to there. If there's anything on the way, we'll capture the images, so we'll see you shortly. Right, well, we haven't come much further, and as I was going along, I was thinking it'd be nice to have a good image of Castle Crag, seeing as it's in the sunlight at the moment. And as I was coming down and looking to it, I saw this tree as well, sort of partly framing Castle Crag. So yeah, I stopped and taken some handheld images, because we're on quite a steep incline, and getting the tripod out would be quite difficult. So hopefully one of those has come out. If it's any good, we'll put it up on the video after this. And you can see there by the wall going along, that's where we're heading, that's where the path is. So anyway, we'll see you shortly. Right, we've got to the bottom of Castle Crag, and time's marching on a bit, so I'm going to go straight up there. You can see there just in front of me, there's the tree that I want to capture its image, because it fits. If you get down really low, you get the lake and Skiddy behind it. But yeah, you can see the queues of people going up, so we're going to head up there, and we'll see you a bit later.
Let us remember before God and commend to his sure keeping those who have died for this country in war, those whom we knew and whose memory we treasure, and all who have lived and died in the service of mankind. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We'll remember them. Right, well, we've come down and having had the Act of Remembrance and back down to the tree. It's one I've taken, I think I've taken it every time I've come here, hoping each time to get a slightly better one. The light is very good today, so hopefully the image I've captured will be quite good. So yeah, you've got to get very low, as you can see. So if I turn around here, you see there is the camera on the grass to get low enough to get the tree. So if I stand up a bit, you'll see the problem. Once we stand up and come round, the tree is in the background, whereas if we get low, as you see, the higher you go, the less of the tree you see. But as we come low, the tree starts to protrude out of into the light, and you can see the camera there. So it's a very low shot. Yeah, and you'll see if we look at the back of the camera, the settings there, it'll be 100 ISO f11, and I can't remember what the shutter speed. I think it was about 60th of a second, but you'll see on the image there of the back of the camera. So right, so having got that, we're just going to head back to Seatoller. If anything catches me fancy on the way back, we'll capture the images, if there's any decent looking compositions. But the main aim now is heading home. But anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're now back at the van. Didn't actually take any more images on the way back. I don't know whether you can tell from probably the way I'm squinting, etc. The sun is very bright and it's a blue sky, very harsh light. So I don't think any pictures, if I'd found compositions, would have particularly come out. But anyway, it's been a good walk. I've remembered those from the wars, etc. And yeah, I'd just like to say, if you've enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, why not subscribe? And by all means, comment. I do answer all comments. We're only a small channel at the moment, and all comments are answered, even if it's just a thank you. So please comment either on the video, or questions you may have, or videos you'd like to do, or like me to do, or places you'd like me to go to in the Lake District. So yeah, when this video comes out, I'll be on my way to Skye, which I'm going to for a week. So the next video may be from Skye, but I may get a chance just to get one off and done. So that goes up as we come back from Skye, and then we'll have a few videos from Skye thereafter. But anyway, if you watched all to the video for this far, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.